do that.
1. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. 2. What do you get when you cross a snowman and a vampire? Frostbite. 3. Why did the mushroom get invited to every party? Because he's a fun guy. 4. What did the plant say to the gardener? I'm rooting for you. 5. How do you organize a space party? You plan it. 6. Why do bees have sticky hair? Because they always use honeycombs. 7. Why are frogs so happy? Because they eat whatever bugs them. 8. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. 9. What did one ocean say to the other ocean? Nothing, they just waved. 10. What kind of ship can never sink? A friendship. 11. Why don't pirates ever take a bath? Because they just wash up on shore. 12. How do boats greet each other? I. 13. What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator. 14. What do cows do for entertainment? They go to movies. 15. Why did the chicken join a band? Because it had the drumsticks. 16. What do you call a fish wearing a bow tie? Sophisticated. 17. Why don't seagulls fly over the bay? Because then they'd be bagels. 18. How does a snowman get around? By riding an icicle. 19. How was the big cat disqualified from the race? Because it was a cheater. 20. How do trees access the internet? They log in. 21. Why was the computer cold? It left its windows open. 22. Why did the smartphone go to school? It wanted to improve its aptitude. 23. Why did the GPS get a promotion? It always knows the way. 24. Why do tech enthusiasts love traveling? Because they enjoy exploring new networks. 25. Why did the computer stay at home? It had a bad case of viruses. 26. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. 27. What did the 0 say to the 8? Nice belt. 28. Why did the coffee file a police report? It got mugged. 29. Why was the math book sad? It had too many problems. 30. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. 31. What do you call fake spaghetti? An impasta. 32. How does a penguin build its house? It glues it together. 33. Why did the banker switch careers? He lost interest. 34. Why did the bicycle fall over? It was too tired. 35. How do you catch a squirrel? Climb a tree and act like a nut. 36. Why did the golfer bring 2 pairs of pants? In case he got a hole in one.
Ha ha ha!